Experian Boost can raise your Experian credit score by adding eligible utility, phone and streaming payments to your credit file, but the actual increase depends completely on your existing credit profile. By the end, you'll understand how Experian Boost impacts your score, why some users see changes while others see none, and what factors control the size of the increase. Start with the most important reality. Experian Boost does not guarantee a score increase for everyone. It only adds new positive payment data to your Experian credit report, and your score reacts based on how much that new data improves your overall profile. Now explain who usually sees changes. People with limited credit history often see the biggest impact. That's because adding verified on-time bill payments gives Experian more data to evaluate payment reliability. Now, explain who sees little or no change. Users with long credit histories, multiple credit cards, or loans already reporting consistent payments may see little movement. That's because their credit file already has enough positive payment data built in. Now explain how the mechanism works. Experian Boost works by scanning your bank account for qualifying recurring bills. Once verified, those payments are added to your Experian credit file as additional on-time history. That added history can improve how scoring models evaluate your payment behavior. Now explain why results vary so much. Credit scores are based on multiple factors like payment history, credit utilization, account age, and credit mix to all. Experian Boost only affects one part of that system, which is payment history. So even if that part improves, other factors may keep your score the same. Now, explain a common misunderstanding. Some users expect a fixed number increase like a guaranteed boost of a certain amount. That is not how credit scoring works. The change is dynamic and recalculated based on your full credit profile. Now explain what happens after setup. Once you connect your bank account and verify eligible payments, changes can reflect quickly in your Experian credit file. From there, your score updates based on Experian's scoring model response to the new data. Now summarize the key points. Experian Boost can increase your score, but the amount is not fixed. People with thin credit files usually see the most impact, and results depend on your full credit profile, not just bill payments. One practical next step: before using Boost, check your Experian credit report to see if your bills are already being reported, because duplicate data won't change your score much. If this helped, subscribe for clear explanations of credit tools without guesswork or confusion.